the scholar. So today we'll be looking at the parameters in a circuit where the resistors are in series. So let's get started. So here in this circuit, consider two resistors R1 and R2 that are in series. So what do you mean by series? Series meaning, let's say this is R1, R2. One end of a resistor, of the first resistor, is connected to one end of R2. That's all. We don't care about these ends. Okay. So now these are connected in series, and this is a common point. Now I have connected a potential of V across X and Y. So what do we have between X and Y? R1 and R2, right? So when you want to find the potential difference between X and Y, we need to consider the potential drop at R1 and R2, right? So let's say the potential drop, meaning when you keep a voltmeter here, the potential across R1 is V1, and similarly across R2 is V2. Just consider. So this is the potential drop. So between XY we have R1 and R2, and the total voltage across XY is V. So what do? We just add the potential drop across these two resistors. If you have another resistor here, then you have to add all the potential drops of the resistors and equate it to V, right? Because you're measuring the potential drop across X and Y. So we have V1 is equal to V is equal to V1 plus V2, right? And we know that in a loop, the current is always the same. Right? There are no branches or anything, just one single wire connecting all of these components. So there is no splitting of current anywhere. So the current will stay the same because there's only one path for the current to travel. So I is the same. Right? Also we know V is equal to IR by Ohm's law. So substituting in 1. So we have IR. So here the resistance across XY, let's take it as R total, is equal to IR1 plus IR2. I is the same for the whole circuit. For one loop, I is the same. Now taking I outside on the RHS as common, we have this, right? Now you can cancel the i's. R total is equal to R1 plus R2. So when resistors are connected in series, we just add the resistance to get the total resistance of the circuit, right? So this is about resistors in series. If you have any other questions regarding this, post it in the comment box below, and take care. I'll be talking about resistors in parallel in the next video. Thank you.